The devastating fires on Maui have left residents homeless and in a situation where they may have lost everything. Many are wondering if their insurance will cover their losses. Here to help us with that is Tim Johns from Zephyr Insurance. Good morning, Tim.
Aloha.
Mahalo for joining us. This is very important stuff. First of all, are homeowners covered by their home insurance? How does that work?
Sure, yeah. For most people that have homeowners insurance, either for their house or their condo, or even if they're renters, if they have the regular homeowners insurance, they'll be covered for fire damage. So most of the folks that have been impacted will be covered because most folks do have that homeowners policy.
That's good to hear. Do they don't need like specifically fire insurance, the homeowner stuff?
No. So for most people that have homeowners insurance and they live in the house or they live in the condo or they're renting their place, then it's covered by the regular policy. If you have a house and it's a rental unit, then some people have a separate policy for that. But most of us just are covered by fire damage is covered by our regular policies.
Okay. What about cars? Do you have to have comprehensive coverage to cover your car, or liability you wouldn't be covered, right?
Right. Generally, if you have comprehensive coverage, then it'll cover fire damage. If you only have the minimum liability coverage, then you're out of luck on that one. Most people do get a comp coverage, and if they do, then that will cover fire damage.
Okay, I know this is a big question, but yeah. I mean, say you've lost everything. I mean, how would you even go about it? How would you know? You got to have an inventory? How does that work?
Right. So for most people, for Zephyr policyholders, and I would just like to let people know we're actually on site. We're on West Maui on Friday, and today we're in Kahului at the Finance Factors building with the Claims Assistance Center. If people come down, they can call us and go on the website as well. We have a master list of everybody that has our policies on Maui. So we can go by name, we can go by mortgage company, we can go by address. So even if you don't have any paperwork or anything, if you reach out to us, we can go down and say, yeah, you're one of our policyholders. Here's what's covered for your house. Here's what's covered for your contents. Most people, when they do a policy at the beginning, they give us an inventory of content, but we can work around that. The main thing is go ahead and reach out to us. We can get things rolling now. We can start paying some of the coverage claims stuff right now, even without being on site. We can send stuff directly to their bank account, you know, if you can't cash checks or whatever. So we do have that information so we can solve the problems for people.
Sure. You said something very important when we were talking earlier about the federal assistance. What were you saying?
Yeah, so what we would encourage people, so most of our policies have loss of use, meaning that you can't stay there, so we'll pay for you to stay somewhere else while your house is being rebuilt or up to a certain limit. We're encouraging people to reach out to the federal assistance, and if you have federal assistance and they're going to put you up somewhere, do that first so that you don't deplete the coverage that you have under our policies or any of the other insurance companies in town. So use the federal stuff first, then come to us afterwards, and then you'll get longer coverage. Because if you use ours now and then the federal coverage goes away, then you're stuck. So just kind of wait, do the federal stuff first, take what they're willing to give us, and then, you know, then come to us, and then we'll make sure that you guys get taken care of at that point.
Very important. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, I just think the insurance commissioner has been working, the state Hawaii insurance commissioner has been working with all the insurance companies to make sure that people's coverages don't get cut off now. And so we just like to encourage all the insurance companies have been working together so people know that we're going to try to solve everybody's problems and get these claims, or at least as many of the problems as we can, get those claims paid. I think you can reach out to us directly or www.zephyrinsurance.com. And again, I want to send my mahalo to the Door of Faith Church in Kahana, where we had our outreach on Friday, and Finance Factors today for letting them use our facility or let us use their facilities for our assistance centers.
That's
and encourage people to come on down.
Kahului, what time is that?
It starts at 10, goes till 3.
All right, Tim. Thank you so much. This is very important stuff. Thank you very much.